Okay, I'm going to show you how to flip this cylinder around in a Kwikset lock so it matches the deadbolt. Obviously, take the handle out. Give me a second to set up. First things first. Right there is a little push button. So what you want to do is this cylinder is the key lock. So you straighten that to where it lines up with that notch right there. Once you have that, put your finger on it, take your driver, push the button, wiggle and lift, out it comes. I like to use my little screwdriver here. So, same deal, straight blade screwdriver, just a little smaller. And right down this half moon with your blade straight, slide it down at an angle, and you'll feel a lock. I'll show you the lock once I get it out. There we go. Here, click. Take another straight screwdriver that's a little bit longer. Slide it down there. This is the hardest part. Come on. Let's try this one. There you go. Popped right out. These are what I was grabbing. So I would have a screwdriver behind one and the other screwdriver behind the other. You get them both pulled in and it twists right out. And you just take your handle to the door to where this lines up with your latch, line your cylinder up, snaps right back in. So once you have that figured out, let's see. So I need it to be this way. So half moon on the right for my door setup. Lock cylinder in the proper location, snaps right in. Once that's done, take this pin, slide it down in there, and I'll make sure that groove is lined up with that groove. Done. There you go.